What's up YouTube? Today we got my 2019 Ram and we are going to change out the blower motor assembly. Let's get to it. Alright, blower motor is going to be on the passenger side. Move back the seat and then it's going to be right under the dash. Alright, I'll show you what's next. Alright, so there is 3 clips right here, here, and here. Use your tool to pop those out. And then on the inside, you're just gonna push up and in, and it comes down. Okay, so now you have to take out this light. There's gonna be 1 clip holding it on the side. Then just pull it out, and then you're gonna pull off this connector. And then the rest of it will come out. Okay, so now that that's out of the way, we're just gonna come in our dash. And that unit right there is the blower motor assembly. So we'll take that out now. All right, so this is the new blower motor assembly. As you see, there's gonna be 1 bolt, 2 bolts, 3 bolts. Whoa, and then there's going to be a clip on the side. When I turn it over, this is what it's gonna look like. And then this is kind of gonna plug in. All right, let's go to the removal now. All right, so under here, you're gonna have those bolts. They're gonna be right here. 1 is gonna be back here. And then another one's gonna be tucked up on the other side. I don't know if you can really see it. There it is. You also have this plug to take out. And then it'll all drop out. Okay, so as you see, the blower motor doesn't come out because it's hitting this little module right here. So we're just gonna take out those bolts right there. So you kind of move it out of the way so we can slide this out. All right, now that we got all of those bolts out back there, it's the 3 of them, which is very difficult to do. Then everything just kind of moves out of the way and falls out. So go ahead and remove it. All right, so that's the old one. Very dirty. And this is the new one we're gonna put in right now. Okay, so that's what it looks like in. It just plops in. This is your guide right here. And then you just hand thread your 3 screws in and then put it all together. Okay, with those 3 bolts tight, then we put in this connector. And then now we're gonna have to put this back in on the back side. Okay, now we got the screws back in there and there. And that's tight, this is in. And we're all set under the dash, so now we're gonna put the cover back. All right, make sure you plug in your light and pop the clip back in before reinstalling. All right, now for the cover, it's very simple. You're just gonna slide that piece over the top, push it up, and then clip back in these clips. 2 and 3, and you're all set.